What is going on in this market right now? It feels like everywhere we look, prices are on the rise. From food to gas, we're paying more. Rent and housing prices are not immune from this, but there are huge benefits to homeowning during a time when all other prices are uncertain. Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. Let's talk about the benefits of home ownership during a time when we see such high inflation. Inflation gives homeowners a buffer zone when inflation is on the rise. As inflation goes up, home price appreciation rises faster, according to the National Association of Realtors, or NAR. Investopedia says real estate is one of the time-honored inflation hedges. It's a tangible asset, and those tend to hold their value when inflation reigns, unlike paper assets. More specifically, as prices rise, so do property values, and we are really seeing this right now. Homes are consistently increasing in value. Forbes put it simply when they said homeowners are shielded from mounting rental prices because their cost is fixed, regardless of what's happening in the market. They're locking in that payment at today's cost. Let's take a look at foreclosures for a moment, since we always get asked to compare to 2008. This last year, we had 422,360 fewer foreclosures over the last 2 years, according to the New York Fed. We had over 9 million in 2008, so things are looking very different. We're also having the slowest refinance rate since March of 2020. With all of these questions you may have about the market, it's going to be really important that you partner with the best agent before buying or selling your home. Again, I'm Janet. Let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.